Sophia Dorothea of Hanover, March 16, 1687, June 28, 1757. Sophia Dorothea of Hanover was Queen Consort of Prussia, daughter of King George I of Great Britain, wife of King Frederick William of Prussia, and mother of King Frederick II of Prussia. John Danilovich, 1570 to 1628. John Danilovich, statesman and military figure of the Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth, Russian voivode, Castellan of Lviv since 1612. Louisa Henrietta of Nassau-Orange, December 7, 1627, June 18, 1667. Louise Henriette of Nassau-Orange was a Dutch princess of the Orange dynasty, married to the Elector of Brandenburg. Martin Luther, November 10, 1483, February 18, 1546. Martin Luther was a German Christian theologian, former Catholic Augustinian monk, and initiator of the Reformation. Abigail Adams, November 22, 1744. October 28, 1818. Abigail Adams was the first American feminist, wife of the first Vice President and second President of the United States, John Adams. Mother of the sixth President of the United States, John Quincy Adams. Thomas Paine, February 9, 1737, June 8, 1809. Thomas Paine was an Anglo-American writer, philosopher, and essayist. Martha Washington, June 2nd, 1731, May 22nd, 1802. Martha Washington was the First Lady of the United States, wife of the first President of the United States, George Washington. Abraham Lincoln, February 12, 1809, April 15, 1865. Abraham Lincoln, 16th President of the United States, liberator of American slaves, national hero of the American people. Maria of Courland, June 12, 1653, June 16, 1711. Maria Anna Amalia of Courland was a princess of Courland from the aristocratic Kettler family. John Adams, October 30th, 1735, July 4th, 1826. John Adams was an American statesman and politician, one of the figures of the American War of Independence, one of the founding fathers of the United States. Mercy Otis Warren, September 1728, October 19, 1814. Mercy Otis Warren was an American poet, historian, playwright, satirist, and one of the most famous women of American independence. Henry Benedict Stuart, March 6, 1725, July 13, 1807. Henry Benedict Stuart was an Italian curial cardinal, Vice-Chancellor of the Holy Roman Church from January 14, 1763 to July 13, 1807.